Whether it's because of tariffs, geopolitical shifts, or manufacturing incentives, every choice matters when deciding to expand or relocate operations in the U.S. There's a lot to consider before making the move, and site selection is at the core. The right location choice can fuel growth, strengthen supply chains, and attract top talent. So it's important to consider the critical factors your business depends on: infrastructure, labor, utilities, suppliers, and customers. Let's start with infrastructure. From highways and rail lines to ports and shipping corridors, these connections keep goods and materials moving. Labor is just as important. Not only the size of the workforce, but the skills, training, and community support that make it sustainable over time. Utilities matter too, from grid reliability to securing enough capacity before operations even begin. Suppliers also play a big role. Proximity to key vendors can streamline operations, reduce costs, and strengthen resilience. And ultimately, your customers. Easy access to markets helps drive faster delivery, stronger relationships, and long-term growth. Site selection isn't just a decision. It's a long-term strategy for resilience, growth, and value creation. It's also just one of many decisions in building a stronger, more connected operation. At PwC, our data, insights, and cross-industry experience accelerate high-stakes site selection decisions and all of the related factors, helping you navigate risks, seize opportunities, and break ground with confidence. Let us help you power growth and innovation in your business.